Sir, anong update kay Manong J. Sonsa?
Nandito kami ngayon sa NBI. So, of course, yung standard operating procedure dito, yung medical siya, yung mga may picture sa NBI. And nandito siya ngayon. Then, after here, sa Pasay, ilipat siya sa NBI Detention Center doon sa Muntinlupa.
Opo. Considering, sir, yung edad ni Manong J, isa rin po ba yan sa inyo pong ginigit dyan sa NBI?
Yes, we are requesting na sana bigyan ng konsiderasyon kasi first senior citizen na si Mr. J. Sonsa and may sakit pa. Tapos yung mali yung inisyu ng court na warrant of arrest. Kasi bakit dapat walang warrant dapat inisyu nito? Kasi ang nakalagay sa warrant of arrest, binasa natin, mali, may typo error, nakalagay doon non-bailable or not bailable. Ang problema, ang kaso niya ngayon is unlawful publication. Unlawful publication, ang penalty is only up to 6 months to 6 years. So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman to heinous crime na punishable by reclusion perpetua or higher. So, this is a bailable offense. In fact, hindi na kailangan ang bail nito. But maybe ang court nagkamali. Ito namang NBI, nabasa nila na may warrant of arrest ang court, atat sila na arrestuhin. So, of course, trabaho lang naman nila yan. But we will do all the legal remedies available as soon as possible. Ang warrant of arrest can be served at any time of the day or night. Hindi naman ito search warrant na morning lang hanggang hapon. But ang warrant of arrest, it can be served at any time of the day or night. So, dapat nga baguhin na ito na batas kasi pwede ito maabuso. But if you read kasi, ang warrant of arrest ni J. Sonsa, parang mali talaga. So, bakit mali? First, nakalagay doon, not bailable. So, pag you say not bailable, hindi pwede i-bail. O, nakadilaw yan, nakita nyo, not bailable. But ang kaso is unlawful publication. It's a very simple case na ang may jurisdiction dapat nito ang MTC lang, naging RTC because there's cybercrime involved. But still, this is a bailable offense. Or kung hindi man bailable, a bail is not required in this case. So, baka nagkamali ang court, then ito namang NBI, atat na atat, ang ginagawa ng NBI is sinunod lang nila ang order ng court. But we will do our best na ma-release si J. Sonsa as soon as possible. Based nito, yung allegedly, yung pag-publish ng